wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best car wash kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Having the best cleaning solution isn't always enough to get your vehicle in top-notch condition, which is where the Snow Eagle L Interiors comes in. This bundle includes many of the tools needed for detailing inside and out, such as a tire brush, a window squeegee and a duster. It all comes in a handy storage box and makes a good starter set. However, it's not high quality. At number 9, the Chemical Guy's Eco-Friendly is a good choice for those who don't have easy access to a hose or water. The potent cleaner contains natural carnauba and yields 2 gallons of a ready-to-use solution that wipes off with a soft towel. It's safe for all paint colors and both quick and effective, though it's not ideal for really dirty cars. Coming in at number 8 in our list. You can obtain a clean and polished vehicle quickly without needing water, thanks to the Trinova Gold Standard. This concentrated option can give you 40 washes for a fair price and is perfect for those who live in drought-prone areas. It cuts down on detailing time and includes a reusable spray bottle. However, it doesn't have anything for the interior or the tires. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car wash kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Griot's Garage 11131 provides you with commercial quality cleaning in your driveway. It comes with biodegradable soap that's safe for all paints, a pH-balanced wheel cleaner that's gentle yet effective, and a speed shine for quick touch-ups between washes. The water-based wax contains no silicone, and its vinyl dressing leaves a satin finish, but the set could use a few towels. Moving up our list to number 6, the Armor All 18574 Ultra comes with a wash and wax that saves you time, since it combines 2 steps into one, making your job a little bit easier. It includes an air freshener spray that fits nicely in a glove compartment for on-the-go use. The glass cleaner is ammonia-free and the tire shine contains a conditioner. It's good value for the money. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you want to be kind to the environment, look to the Aero Cosmetics All. This one can be used with or without water on any type of vehicle on the inside and out, and leaves behind a protective non-stick UV coating. It's eco-friendly and biodegradable and wipes off without leaving a residue. It's also suitable for boats. At number 4, the meguiar's Classic Care is a good choice for keeping rides in tip-top shape. It includes a shampoo and conditioner, liquid wax, a high-gloss gel, detailers, 2 clay bars, an effective scratch remover, and more. It comes with detailed usage instructions and can help with cloudy headlights. The wax preserves your finish for weeks. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. With its premium chenille mitt and microfiber towel, you can rest easy. There won't be any swirls or smudges left after using the Chemical Guy's HOL 121. It comes with everything needed to whip your whip into shape, and the bucket can double as a stool. It removes stubborn bugs and grime and is gentle enough for weekly use. It includes a grit guard insert. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car wash kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, considering the price and variety of items it comes with, the Turtle Wax 50754 Ultimate is a good value. If you use everything, you can wash, wax, shine, and protect your vehicle, giving it a long-lasting sparkle inside and out. It includes an effective scratch remover, a dashboard and glass cleaner, and a bonus odor eliminator spray. And taking the top spot on our list, the Trinova Complete Detailing Bundle is relatively expensive, but with a total of 19 components, it's one of the most comprehensive options. You get dedicated solutions for practically every part of your vehicle. It includes a stiff tire scrubber and both cleaning and drying accessories. It leaves behind an impressive shine. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car wash kits, or simply click beneath this video.